Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with eTrade step by step clearly. Create an account on the eTrade website. Visit the eTrade homepage and click on the Open an Account button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Select the type of account you wish to open, such as an individual brokerage account or an IRA. Review and accept the terms and conditions before proceeding. Set up your login credentials, including a username and password. Once your account is created, fund your account through a bank transfer. Link your bank account by entering the required bank information. Specify the amount you wish to transfer for your initial deposit. Confirm the transfer and wait for the funds to be available. Navigate to the eTrade dashboard after logging in. Familiarize yourself with the platform layout and tools. Use the search bar to find specific stocks or funds you're interested in. Conduct research using eTrade's market data and analytics tools. Explore company profiles, historical performance, and news updates. Check out the eTrade stock screener to filter based on your investment criteria. Decide on the stocks or funds you want to invest in. Click on the chosen stock or fund to view its trading page. Review the current price, performance charts, and other relevant information. Select the Trade button to begin the process of purchasing. Enter the number of shares or the amount you wish to invest. Choose the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or limit order. Review your order details carefully. Confirm the total cost, including any applicable fees. Submit your order and wait for it to be processed. Monitor your investments through the eTrade portfolio section. Check for updates on price changes, news, and performance metrics. Consider setting alerts to notify you of significant changes in your investments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.